Meet Brand Performance, noryX's operational intelligence layer that fuses Google Analytics 4 and Google Search Console with your day-to-day operations. Brand Performance further powers the noryX intelligence layer. It understands each product holistically across inventory trends, market trends, and customer trends. noryX now enriches this with GA4 user behavior insights, traffic sources, cohorts, funnels, landing page performance, and GSC search intent signals, queries, impressions, CTR, average position, page mapping. Together, noryX delivers truly contextual optimization that sharpens inventory planning and lifts SEO performance. Before we connect, check 3 things. 1. Sign in with the Gmail that has access to your GA4 property. 2. Have your GA4 property ID and your site domain ready in the HTTP format. 3. Make sure your domain is verified in Google Search Console. Here is how you can connect your Google account. In noryX, open Brand Performance from the Feature menu. Click Connect Google Account and complete Google sign-in with the account that has GA4 GSC access. After success, click Go to Brand Performance. Click Configure Properties. Under Integration Configuration, set connection type to Google Analytics. Connection name, enter a clear label. Property ID, paste your GA4 property ID, 9 or 10 digits. API prefix, enter your site domain in HTTP format. Tip, use the exact storefront domain that GA4 tracks, include subdomain if applicable. Click Add GA4 property. You'll see a confirmation that the GA4 property is identified. Allow a few minutes for the initial data ingest and sync. Add your Google Search Console property. In Integration Configuration, change connection type to Google Search Console. Connection name, enter a label, e.g., main domain GSC. API prefix, enter the same site domain, HTTPS format. Tip, if your GSC is a URL prefix property, the URL here must match exactly, including subdomain and trailing/rules in GSC. For domain properties, just use your main HTTP domain. Click Add GSC property. You'll see a success confirmation. Verify and start using dashboards. Under Manage Properties, verify both entries show connected for Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Click View Dashboard for each to confirm data is flowing. Brand Performance will begin surfacing prioritized insights, search themes, landing page performance, inventory-aware demand shifts, and recommended actions for inventory optimization and SEO optimization. Watch next 2 videos to see how to use Brand Performance feature to accelerate growth.